July reading. This is July reading, and see what is written here. It starts with you. July is all about self-love. Okay, and we'll do it very comfortably. And those who are looking for a July reading, let me just make it very clear to you that July is about self love, those who are watching it. And simple, it means that you have to somewhere make sure that you put yourself before anybody else. Okay. And, okay, there's another thing that comes. I will use money in more fun ways. So, not use money for necessity alone, but luxury. And luxury is also a beautiful thing, in a way that when you feel good about yourself, money, you start attracting more money. So, what you are able to afford, it gives a vibration to you that, oh, this is good. I'm able to do this. And then you start thinking of yourself in a very different way. And let's start the reading. Here is the card shuffling right in front of you, and let me see what the cards indicate for you guys for the month of July. Okay, lot of feelings, lot of completion that is coming. Okay, and we quickly will go into more detail about the reading. Okay, I'll let me know those of you who want to see the cards and not see me. Okay, that's also fine, because currently I think I'll show you the cards. Okay, and while I'm shuffling, I'll show you even that. But do let me know. Your feedback is very, very important for me, so that I can give you a better reading, which will be a better experience if you resonate with the reading. Okay, you have been thinking, searching, learning something in the past. So something very important to you, something very, from past, I think from the month of March approximately, you have been learning something. Okay, and like maybe, from December, or for some people in the month of March. Okay, the 12th month, or probably the third month. Okay, and you are learning and trying to learn. So this is the period of last 5-6 months is what I would give you, when you have been trying to learn something, upgrade yourself, or try to move out, find out some more information. That's what you're trying to do, and it's a good in a way, because you're doing it with a lot of happiness and celebration. But the month of July says that some important thing will be on your mind, and this important thing will be, the confusion will be there, but the important thing that will be on your mind will be for completion. So when I say completion, it's about some kind of a celebration, like, okay, it's about a job, or it's about a love. If this happens, then I'll celebrate. So, waiting with a bated breath. Okay, if this happens, and then I'll celebrate. Or, this is what you want. So conscious mind will be thinking of very positive thing. So July is a very positive month, as long as you remember that you are your favorite, and you are concentrating on yourself. You're using money for luxury, your money for fun ways. Fun ways can be anything, to make yourself entertained, make yourself happy, and not put pressure on yourself. Okay. Mm. Please understand, it is an emotionally charged month for you. You will be in this energy where you will be emotionally active, at the same time emotionally a lot more, you know rocking the boat. So most of the time emotionally charged, but in a good way. But sometimes the emotions will be a little more than that is required. This little more than that is required is not something that you should forget, or you should ignore. So if this is confusing for you, I would say that let us just little more. Yes, you're overthinking a lot. You will be overthinking a lot whenever you go out of your equilibrium. So lot of self-limiting beliefs, ki, when will this happen, when will this happen, I have to complete this task, I've been working very hard for it. So looking for a job, looking for a relationship, or making things something better, something very important and major in your life, you will be working very much towards it. And the emotional equilibrium of what you talk about, where you are in that state of mind, oh, will I be able to manage the emotions well or not, ये मुझसे होगा कि नहीं, मैं कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं, या कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं, ये मेरे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, अगर ये हुआ तो ये तो मेरा लास्ट ट्राई है, इसके बाद तो सब खत्म है, एंड ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. सो when I'm talking in blabbering like this, what am I speaking about? The worst possible scene. I am talking about the worst possible scenario, and I am not looking at expectation, but I'm looking at a lot of fear. Okay, and this fear is coming from a place of self-limiting belief, frustration, a lot of, oh my god, how will I do it? I just don't know. That boy will not come back to me, that girl will not come back to me, my job will not be very stable, they will ask me to leave, or they'll put me on probation, something you will keep on thinking. But that is the attitude you will do with lot of feelings. And what can you do to make it better is have a bit of stability, have a bit of futuristic goal. The goal should be of future. Okay, let it see what is happening. Okay. And also, when I talk about you know please understand that it is very important, your expectations. Trust me, a beautiful month July is, because there'll be a lot of support that you'll get, lot of support. People around you will be emotionally charged up and will give you that kind of support. And it's all about that emotional support, and you will be remaining emotionally detached, but not in a bad way, because you would want a little bit more balance and harmony to your own self, and you will not want to go into deeper into something. So suppose if you are talking about energies around whatever is there, there would be people who love you. There are people, and beautiful people are there. Okay, and even at work area, this is also come as a work thing. So you will get support from people who like you very much, or who really support you in some way or the other. Okay, and there would be also something coming up, and you are waiting with the bated breath. And this month of September, this month of July that you're talking about, um, please forgive people, please forgive somebody or someone or a group of people, please forgive. Because start doing the forgiveness ritual right from the time when you are listening to this reading. Because the more you are out of this forgiveness, the more you're out of this anger or hurt, the better manifestation. It is important to cut off our energies from anything that is disturbing us. So what would be disturbing you? It's very evident that it would be really troublesome for you to forgive whoever has hurt you in the past. And I trust me, it's been a bad hurt. Okay, and I agree to that. But you holding, that's what I call, you holding a rotten potato is not the right thing to do. You holding something like, oh, this is something that will this is my um, these are the baggages that I have. This person, these people have not been nice to me, and there are a lot of imagery which comes. It is all family members, directly or indirectly, people who you are emotionally connected with, and few of them, very few, I would say 20% of you, would be having these people connected with you in a career setting. Majorly, it is all about either your partner or about certain family members who have not given you your due respect, who you have not given you that kind of how to say, happiness, support that you want. Okay, and and that is very important, because that you start as soon as you listen to this reading in the month of June. Okay, so before July, get prepared so that you are completely have dropped all the baggages. Let us start July from the fresh slate. Okay, and nothing better than forgiving people and making ourselves right. It does not matter. Forgiveness is not for them, for us. And forgiveness is us, because I don't want to carry the extra 10 kg load with me always, right? Does it make sense? Okay. You'll be very bold, very determined to go forward. And you will be learning, doing a lot of stuff which will require intellect and mind. A lot of you will start using your mind too much in month of July, in spite of being very emotional. Something major happiness will come your way because of use your mind. I wish, please do let me know what happens in July to people who get a lot of happiness. See, this I just want to hide my face and show you this. This is so beautiful. Why? Because this one talks about somebody, some kind of validation. It could be a goal that you have achieved. It could be something, some kind of appreciation that you would have got, like a feather in the cap. That's what you will have. And this would make July very balanced month. Trust me, it's a very balanced month. And this reading is only for those who come across this reading. And you will come across this reading in July or before July, then it's meant for you. Otherwise, forget it. It's not for you. Okay. And it's so beautiful to see that July is getting better than what was in the month of March or April, or even in the month of June. These months, especially March, April, May, might not have been very great, might have been very stressful, but you are coming out of it stronger and stronger. You might not understand what I'm trying to tell you right now, but July is the key where you will have your breakthrough, where you will have something supporting you. And I have also shown you affirmation. I have also shown you. I'll also pick up another card for you. Please understand, there's lot of, oh my God, this is beautiful. You know what this talks about? It talks about you being in your feminine energy, you getting support from the universe, and what form of support. It could be any angel coming in any form. Okay. It could be your boss who starts becoming a little nicer to you. It could be some kind of support. You go and ask for it. Any kind of consultation that you do of tarot reading, or any kind of a friend. So somebody will be nice to you, will make things better for you, and also the things that you have been waiting for will come true to a great extent in the month of July. July is a lovely month. The cards are very beautiful. Trust me, they're very, very beautiful. Let me go ahead and add a little more bonus to the reading, and let's see what does Ganpati say for this. For this. See, this is the Ganpati card. Let me see. Shuffling it in front of you to see to it. No cheating. What is the point in cheating when I'm doing a live reading? Surrender. Surrender. And surrender does not mean that you give up your wishes. Surrender means, I know you'll take care. Please take care of me. That's surrender. Okay. It's I talk about surrender. You know what? What happens? Just imagine. Close your eyes. You are a small baby, 2 years, 3 years old. Your father lifts you up and throws you in the air. What do you feel? You will feel that your father will hold you back. And that is exactly what you have to believe God will do to you. You please see, look at the picture. Look at the picture. Ganpati is sitting in a very restful state. Ganpati, this, with the head like this, a tilted like this, and it's like, okay, let me just, and this is what is surrender. Surrender means believing. जो होगा अच्छा होगा, अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है, मेरे साथ सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है, बुरा हो ही नहीं सकता. So when all these conversations when we have with ourselves, that is what is surrender. That is what I talk about. Okay, this is what is happening to me. Beautiful, beautiful to look at, beautiful to feel that there's somebody. That's why I gave you an example of the father throwing his child in the air, which everybody must have been thrown in the air, and the child will be caught. As a human, I can drop the child, maybe, okay? But as God, when He throws you up in the air, He is giving you that kind of force to hold you back. So surrender to the thought that there is a problem which is arising. Surrender to the thought that there's nothing which is happening. Surrender that everything is going to be fine. I can rest in peace. Can you all sleep in peace when you know that tomorrow is a very beautiful day? Will we all not live, stay in peace? Yes, we will. We will stay in peace. We will stay in harmony. Just relax, okay? So when we do that, what do you say? That is what Ganpati, Ganesha wants you to think and believe, okay? And think of somebody, some extra tip again. Think of somebody, your husband, your girlfriend, boyfriend, anything, okay? A relationship, not anything else, okay? I'm adding to this to a reading. What are they thinking about you? What are their thoughts on the relationship as the time will come? What is the thought? Relationship, if it has ended for any of you, the relationship, there can be a fresh start. That's what I see. So this is a turning point, and with a turning point there is a fresh start possibility, but you have to hold back the power. You don't have to go and approach the person that you are in love with. So you don't have to go and probably tell your spouse or your boyfriend or your girlfriend that, oh, come back. You have to keep waiting and let them give a fresh start. And this July month is a beautiful month. And as you begin in the month of July, it is just asking you to. And what is the guidance, angel guidance for you? Ganpati guidance we did, okay? We did what the partner is thinking. Now let me just pick up a, okay, I'm picking up a card. What is Ganpati telling you? Let's see. What is the angel telling you? I'm so sorry, I'm sorry. Okay. What is angel guidance telling you? What is the angel guidance telling you? Angel guidance is telling you, oh, see, I'm not, see, within next few months, okay, what is going to happen within next few months? You have to just stay calm in next few months. It's going to be good. It's going to be good is what? Forgiveness. Please start working on that. And if you are able to forgive, oh my God, see, if you are able to forgive, if you are able to forgive that boss, if you're able to forgive your boyfriend, if you're able to forgive that girlfriend, if you're able to forgive your mother or father or any sibling who has hurt you, then trust me, this is going to bring big, happy changes for you. And what more can we ask? But a lot of happiness for all of us when we are going through some pain, and we drop the baggages as soon as we listen to this reading, and you start working and praying for a beautiful July coming our way. Okay. All the best. Please do write, comment, because if you let me know what you want, and if you've watched till here, this is my humble request. Leave a comment. It's a conversation between you and me, right? And this is done with a lot of love. And I would love to hear from you what you would want. And once you decide what you want, and people who ask get. I've always told, चुप रहने से कुछ नहीं होता, नहीं मिलेगा तो कोई नहीं, पर बोलने से जरूर होता है. So do ask universe for what you want, and do let me know also what you would want me to do a reading on. This was the month of July reading, and what else you want me to do, or here I'll try to upload it very soon. So probably you'll be able to see it before July. Start working on yourself. All the best.